I'm going to share with you one of our new food finds that we are absolutely loving in our house. We tripped up on this at our local Walmart in the frozen food section and just kind of took a chance and bought one of every product of this brand of food and have absolutely loved everything that we've tried. So this is a paleo brand of food, and by no means are we a paleo family, but we're always looking for new, healthy, and tasty foods to implement into our family's lifestyle. So the first thing that we tried that we were super excited about was the paleo sandwich bread. Now, the company that makes this is called Base Culture. They started this company, and they, meaning women, it is a woman-owned company, which I'm always super excited about supporting. So it's a woman-owned company. The lady who started this company actually did a 30-day challenge with her friends to see if she could go paleo for 30 days, and the end result was this amazing company, Base Culture. So all of the products are paleo. They're soy-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, all the things that we're looking for when we're implementing healthier foods into our lifestyle. Michael and I have absolutely loved having the option of bread again in our life. We've gone a very long time without it. We have been using this for avocado toast when we break our fast. So we just put 2 pieces of this bread in the toaster. We top it with some avocado, a little bit of egg, maybe a little bit of bacon. It is absolutely delicious. It toasts well and holds up well also. I know a lot of times when you're looking for a gluten-free bread or a healthier version of bread, one of the biggest complaints is that the bread does not hold up. That is not the case with this bread. It has been working great for us. Gabby loves it as well. She puts a couple pieces in the toaster after school, spreads some all-natural peanut butter on it, and she has herself a nice healthy bread option for an after-school snack. So this is what a slice of bread looks like. It's pretty small. It's perfect for putting some avocado on and maybe putting an easy over egg on top, or maybe even smashing a hard-boiled egg on top for like a little bit of a spread. So it's perfect. I have 2 when I have my bread. Absolutely love it. Totally satisfying. And then the company also makes some pretty tasty treats as well. So we have also been enjoying the almond butter brownie. This is super tasty. I'll insert a picture of what this looks like outside of the package. We cut this in 4 pieces, and each one of us has a piece. Totally satisfying. It'll cure a chocolate and a sweet craving for sure. Again, paleo, gluten-free, soy-free, great option for a healthy snack. And then we've also found their Nutty pumpkin bread. This loaf of pumpkin bread is 8 servings, so we just kind of slice it up in 8 servings and then divvy it up. It's been a great after-school snack, also a great dessert idea. If you have company over, super easy to slice this up and serve it. We have tried it just plain like this out of the package, and we've also tried it with a little dollop of our coconut whipped cream. Awesome little treat your company will love, and they won't even know that you're serving them something healthy. So I reached out to this amazing company and I let them know I was going to be sharing their products with you here in this community. They were super gracious to offer all of us a 20% off discount code. I will link that below in the description. Like I said, I found ours at our local Walmart, but when I went on the Base Culture website, I noticed they have a lot more products than our local grocery store offers. So I will be purchasing more products and trying them from their website directly. I will be using the coupon code and saving myself the 20%, and I hope you will do the same. If you go in and decide to purchase some of the Base Culture products, please reach out to me and let me know how you and your family are enjoying them as well.